Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert multiple pictures in one single PDF. So for example, I want to convert those 3 pictures to PDF, so I'm going to open my browser. Then in the search bar I'm going to type I love PDF. You will see this official website, the first one. You click on that. Then here in all PDF tools you are going to choose JPG to PDF. You click on that. Here you select the images that you want. For example, I want to choose those 3. You can select them like this, or control, or you can drag and drop here. You just click open. And then as you can see here, the 3 images are here. You can custom the order, of course, that you want. You can choose here either to be portrait or landscape. You can choose the page size here. Then small, big, or something like this. Then you just click on convert to PDF. Then you just need to download your PDF. And here, as you can see, our PDF is ready. When you open it here, you will find it here with the 3 images. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.